All right.
I got my chart going on over there of since I got the green light to drink beverages yesterday. We got apple juice, cranberry juice, water, Gatorade, fruit punch, a couple other little things, and then tracking cups of ice too for total volume of liquid input. Yesterday between 6 p.m. and midnight was about 71 ounces, roughly 2 liters. And then so far this morning about 40 ounces since midnight, which includes about 15 ounces in the very early morning.
Okay. All right. Is that a dog?
Yeah, there's a nurse named Bev who
Oh.
apparently drives a dog like that every time. So she was
Okay.
here like 4 days ago, and nobody wants to erase it, and I don't have the heart.
Okay.
So
Bev's cool.
okay. Oh, all right. And we've been putting out so much output that we hooked up a
bag.
Yeah. Having just drank a bunch, that could be in there right now.
You have drank a bunch?
Well, just, I mean, since the last hour and a half, probably 25 ounces.
How's your urine doing?
Mediocre. I'm still regularly putting out 100 to 150-ish. Medium brown, I don't know. You might check in the bathroom and see if there is a urine sample that I just put out.
Okay.
On the wall.
Oh, there it
Is there? Is there one in there?
There is.
Yeah.
God, that looks good. Okay.
So,
Yeah. Let's give a liter bolus.
so one question is, if we're putting in more and more fluid via bolus, how does that compare with everything that I'm drinking?
It's addition.
Yes, you could process differently or not necessarily.
Yeah, just because it won't go through your intestines, it'll just go straight into your bloodstream.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But the fact that your urine's still kind of dark, we can give you some more fluid.
Okay.
And it looks like you put about 5 liters out from here over the last 24 hours. We want it to be a liter in 24 hours.
So if we've got too much liquid coming out, why are we putting more liquid in?
Because putting liquid into your vascular system is not going to increase the liquid coming out of your stomach.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But also, to answer your question, if you lose too much liquid, we have to put liquid back in just so you stay hydrated enough to keep peeing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Does that mean that my small intestine maybe isn't taking out liquid, basically?
So it could mean that it's not taking out liquid well right now. It could also just be that it is decompressing, that it is moving more stuff, and it's decompressing that ileus where a bunch of fluid and gas had built up. Now it's decompressing that. So you're seeing the fast efflux of all that stuff that's been sitting there.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
It does. Is there any benefit to moving instead of liquids and clear liquids to solid foods to try and thicken this up?
Yeah. We can give you solid food today.
Okay.
I mean, you don't feel nauseated, do you?
No.
Yeah, and your belly feels fine.
Okay.
So we give you a bolus, we give you solid food, and then we watch and see what this output does.
Yeah, I still can't figure out why my kidneys don't seem to be kicking in more.
Oh, at least the labs look good each day. Like today's better than yesterday.
Mm-hmm. All right.
You're heading the right direction.
Okay, cool.
If need be, we'll start you on something called Imodium to slow this stuff down.
Yeah.
So that you don't have to worry about getting dehydrated.
Okay.
But
keep an eye out.
Before we start that, we need to make sure this isn't just you emptying what's been built up there for a while.
Okay.
Cool?
Sounds good. Thanks, guys.
See you later today, okay?
Mm-hmm.